Today we are going to unbox and review the San Disk Extreme Portable SSD. I purchased the 2 terabyte version that supports speeds of up to 1050 megabytes per second. It's important to note that the speeds that you'll get out of this drive will depend on the connectors you have on your computer or other device. In the box you'll find the hard drive, warranty and safety information, and a nice little short USB-C to USB-C cable that also includes a handy little adapter. The drive has a nice matte look. I like the little ring that you could put a key ring on or a carabiner to clip it onto something. It's really compact. Here it is in comparison to an SD card. Let's plug it into the computer and see what we get. I was not able to hit the advertised 1050 megabyte per second speeds on my 2021 MacBook Pro. This is due to a glitch in the way that Apple Silicon and Thunderbolt 4 handles USB 3.1 Gen 2 speeds. I was able to move 237 gigabytes of files from my MacBook hard drive to an Extreme SSD in 8.5 minutes. There's a lot that's going to be able to affect speeds, including your device throughput, the ports on your device, the cable used, and even the applications being used. This hard drive is ideal for storing files, but you could also edit off of it, especially if you're storing the original media on the external hard drive and using proxy files on your computer hard drive. Just note that this hard drive is not going to be as fast as many newer laptop hard drives. For comparison, I get about 4,000 to 5,000 megabytes per second read and write on my MacBook Pro hard drive. Overall, I think for the price and amount of storage, this hard drive is a great buy. Just know that depending on your device, you may not hit the advertised speeds, and you need to make sure that it will be fast enough for your use cases. For most, it's going to be just fine. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I have lots more great technology reviews that I'm going to be putting out.